Hey everyone! In this 2026 guide, I'm going to show you how to downgrade your Zoho Books plan. If you don't need all the extra features anymore or you just want to save a bit. So, first, open your browser and log into Zoho Books. When you land on the dashboard, look at the left side menu and click the settings gear icon at the bottom. Inside the settings area, scroll down and choose subscription. This is where Zoho shows your current plan, billing cycle, and all the upgrade or downgrade options. Now, under your active plan, you'll see a button that says Change Plan or Manage Subscription. Go ahead and click that. A list of all available Zoho Books plans will pop up, including the lower tier ones. Just pick the plan you want to downgrade to. Zoho will show you what features you'll keep and what you'll lose. Yeah, just double check that before you confirm. After choosing the new plan, click Proceed or Confirm Downgrade. If you're billed monthly, the change usually happens right away. If you're on a yearly plan, Zoho might adjust it at the start of your next cycle, but they'll show the exact details on the screen. Once it's done, your account will refresh with the downgraded features, but all your data will stay safe. And yeah, that's all you have to do to downgrade your Zoho Book subscription smoothly. Oh, and thanks for watching. And feel free to like and subscribe if you found it helpful. Hey everyone,